Hi Zen Seekers, this is another COVID relief toolbox tutorial, and this tutorial is on breathing exercises to help keep the lungs clear and keep your breathing full. So the first exercises are breathing through the separate chambers of the lungs. There are 3 separate chambers. And what I like to do is with my little students, I would use a crab claw. So pretend you have a crab claw and put the crab claw on the bottom part of your ribs. Now breathing in and out through your nose. Ready? Try to make the crab claws move in and out. Again, in, out, again, in, out, one more time, in, out. Hopefully you can see my claws going out and in with the inhale and the exhale. If you want to, you can pause this video and do that a few more times. A few more times would be good, 5 to 10 more times. Okay, the next chamber is just putting your hands like in the middle of your lungs as best you can, ladies. And you're going to feel that part of the lungs go out, in and out. Ready? Breathing in. It should go out now, and then when you exhale, it goes back down. Inhale again. Exhale. Inhale. Watching for this part of your chest to move. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. One more time. Okay, now you can pause this video again and do that 5 to 10 more times. Okay, now the upper part, the upper section of the lungs is like right below your collarbone, and it should be going, feel like it's going out when you're inhaling and like collapsing when you're exhaling. Try to do it really deeply. Try to do it all through your nose if you can. Inhale, exhale. Now try to make this move. You saw my shoulders move. That's wrong. Don't do as I do. Try to keep your shoulders down and relaxed away from the ears. Again, inhale, exhale. Inhale as deeply as you can. Exhale. One last time, inhale, exhale. Okay, pause the video again to do it more times on your own. The next exercise is raising the arms up with the inhale and then down with the exhale. Always breathing in through your nose if you can, and you choose if you want to breathe out through your nose or breathe out like a straw breath. So here we go. Take a regular breath. Okay, letting it all out. Okay, here we go. Inhale. Exhale. I'm doing the straw breath. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. One more time. Inhale. Exhale. I didn't mention this, but please make sure that you're sitting up straight. That's the best way to get all the air you can, and preferably the end of your chair, the edge of your chair with a flat back, straight back. Okay, you can do a few more of those on your own. The next one is breathing in through the back part of your lungs, which is a part that has been getting a lot of attention, where people are just laying on their backs and things are settling in the lungs in the back. That's the last thing you want to happen, because settling in the back of the lungs is really hard to get that stuff out. So I want you to put your hands on your knees maybe and like round your back. I'll do it from the side so you can see. Like, put some weight in your elbows and shoulders, and around your back, and chin to chest. Now that's going to be an inhale, which if you do yoga, it might feel opposite of what it should be, but we're breathing into the back of our lungs for this one. So that is why we're breathing that way. So you're going to do this, chin to chest, curl, and then you're going to open up your heart and go kind of like a cat-cow if you do yoga. It's like a cat-cow in a chair. And you're breathing in for the cat. So here we go. Bending through, inhale. And then exhale. And again, you can go through the mouth or the nose. Curl it in, inhale. Exhale. Again, inhale. Breathing in through the back of your lungs, exhale. It's like you're breathing air into your back. That's the best way I can explain it. Inhale. Exhale. One more time. Inhale. Exhale. Now, if that was feeling good, you may pause, or even if it wasn't, pause the video and do a few more of those. I'll wait. Okay, and the last breathing exercise is going to be like a butterfly kind of thing. It's opening up the chest. You're going to be inhaling and then exhaling. Again, try to inhale through the nose if you can, and you can exhale out through the nose or the mouth. It is up to you. I'll try to do it both ways so you can see both ways. Here we go. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Really stretch your chest out, heart out. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Exhale it all out, all the air out. Inhale. Exhale. Once again, you can do a few more of those on your own. I hope your lungs are feeling really open now. The last thing we're going to do is humming. And just hum along with me. Any note is fine. You don't have to match my note. In fact, wherever it is in the lungs, is opening up mine, I can tell. That's where maybe find a note that makes that part of your chest rattle. That is sound healing. So find a note, just experiment. Okay, you got it? Nothing to do with our arms or anything. We're just going to sit up straight and hum together as much as we can until we have no more air. Ready? do. Let's do it again. And inhale through the nose is best, always. Oh, my ear started getting weird. I'm going to switch notes. You can switch notes if you want to. If your head is hurting, the higher the note would really help your head resonate, which that would help. If it's lower in the chest, it would be lower. If it's like right in the middle, middle pitch. That's exactly how sound healing works. The frequencies match where it is in the body. Let's try a few more. Let it out. One more. I hope you find any or all of these breathing exercises helpful for keeping the airways clear. I recommend doing them 2 to 3 times a day, in the morning, at night, and then if you have some time in the middle of the day, to help keep things clear, keep the air sacs clear and full of air. If they're full of air, they can't have other stuff in them. So let's make the odds be full of air. I'm wishing you good health, everyone. Namaste.